Today we're going to take a look at 3 of the most popular accessory options for the new Honda Pioneer 1000 Deluxe, one of Honda's 9 different Pioneer 1000 models in their current UTV model lineup. Now, this one isn't as wild as some of the other big money builds we've covered in the past, but it's a little more realistic for most people, so I thought you guys might like to take a closer look at it. Before we do that though, I'll have links below for each of these accessories with discount codes too, so if you're in the market to buy, those links might help save you a few bucks, all while helping support the channel in the process so I can continue creating these videos for you guys. And while you're down there, please consider checking out the join button as well to help keep this train chugging along, as without your support, my days are numbered. Now with that being said, let's dive into the first item, and that's a hardtop for the Pioneer 1000 from Honda. For those of you that want to help keep those sunburns to a minimum while off-roading, this roof is one of the best options out there. It utilizes their toolless clamp system to mount it, so it's super easy to install, and it also has mounting points for the Honda accessory light bar if you ever wanted to add it in the future. It's made from polyethylene and is pretty durable from my experience with bashing it up against trees and so on. Plus you have the option of getting it with a black finish on the inside or gray to lighten up the interior a little bit for a few extra bucks, and it works with most aftermarket windshields too, which is a bonus. And that ties into our next accessory for the Pioneer 1000, the flip-up scratch-resistant windshield from SuperATV. Personally, I like this setup over the Honda windshield options, as you can actually open it all the way up, whereas the Honda can't, and you can do it all quickly with one hand thanks to having a single adjustment arm in the middle instead of having 2 adjustment points, one on either side like with Honda's adjustable windshields. Plus, it's cheaper, which is always a bonus as these things are getting expensive enough as it is. Up next, we move over to another piece to help close off the cabin of the Pioneer 1000, and that's with this hard rear panel from Honda. It's made from the same polyethylene material as the roof and integrates perfectly with it to help seal off the rear of the machine from the interior with the additional seals and overall shielding. Plus it also has a sliding tempered glass window for additional airflow too. And you have the option of going with the gray finish on the inside just like the roof to help brighten up the interior instead of everything being black. And that's all of the accessories installed on this Honda Pioneer 1000. What do you guys think about this setup? Is there anything you would have done differently or that you think Honda should throw on these side-by-side models from the factory? Honda does pay attention to these videos, so let your voices be heard down in the comments section and let's talk about it all, as these videos aren't just for me to ramble on. But on that note, thanks for watching, and if you'd like to help support the future of these videos, please consider checking out the membership options by clicking on the join button below, and don't forget about the discount codes and support links down in the description. And that's a wrap for this one, and a big thank you again to our supporters for helping to keep this train chugging along, and we'll see you guys in the next one. But first,